What's up guys, hey Anthony here at inGear, and today with us we have the Gen 3 lineup. As you saw in some of our other videos right below these ones, we have the two Verve scooters. We have the Verve Compact and we have the Verve Pro. So today we're gonna do a speed test, and if you are interested in getting one of these scooters, right now you can get $250 off by typing in inGear 250. They will also give you an accessory bundle for free while supplies last, so definitely get your scooter and click the link below. inGear 250 gets you $250 off. Let's do a speed test right now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think it's a 15-mile-an-hour scooter. So let's see what we actually get out of this thing. All right, so far we're already going to 16, yeah, 15, there you go. All right, 16. All right, I'm gonna slow down real quick. Dang, 16 miles an hour on this thing. This little scooter is pretty awesome. It's really comfortable to ride. It's fun, it's agile. Hi pups, I know. Pups hate us in this neighborhood. Riding our scooters, dinging our bells. You can ding my bell, ding my bell, ding my bell. All right. All right, so we got a slight hill upgrade right now. Slight grade uphill right now, not upgrade up. Well, I guess they both apply. Anyways, 14 miles an hour one way. Peaked at 16 the other way. Well, let's give it one more test. And then I think this might be a 15-mile-an-hour scooter, which honestly is plenty fast enough for this scooter. Yeah, 16 miles an hour. Because this is the compact scooter, so I feel confident that 15 miles an hour is a safe, yeah, safe enough speed for me to feel confident, comfortable. If I got like one earbud in or something, I'm listening to music, I still can hear everything else happening. Well, the brakes are definitely touchy. Drafting. All right. The verdict's in. 15 miles. 16 was the top.
Interesting.
Yeah! All right, so we are zeroed out. This is the Verve Pro, the last scooter, the Verve Compact. 15-mile-an-hour scooter. We got it up to 16, but 50 miles is like the standard that we got it to. So this one's zeroed out. Let's see how fast we can get this guy. All right. Wow, definitely smoother ride for sure, hands down. The suspension really makes a difference. Yeah, smoother ride. The platform, you get more real estate for your feet. I'm not the biggest guy, but this scooter is a lot bigger, which for me feels a lot better. I prefer this one. This is great. All right, we got to 18, 19. I'm pretty sure we can get to 20 because I had to apply the brakes a little bit, so there's a car coming. We'll just kind of trickle until the car passes. Ah, they went the other way. They went the other way. All right. Well, while I'm getting back to our starting point, this really handles awesome. Yeah, I feel like you could really, if you needed to, get out of the way of something with no problems. All right, let's do one more run. Let's try it. Oh, gotta get out of the way. Get out of the way. Love it. This is awesome. Okay. Let's start again. I'll check to see what this is advertised at, but I'll tell you what, I think this scooter can go 20 miles per hour. And I think with that, that's gonna be a, plenty enough speed, for the size of this scooter. You know, especially if you're on the bike paths or something, or you're on sidewalks. And let's see. Yeah, I think we can go 20. Yeah, I gotta hit the brakes. Whoop. More cars. Busy day today. Gotta stay safe. All these cars, but 20 miles an hour, that was great. All right guys, so there you have it. This is the speed test for the Verve Compact and the Verve Pro Gen 3 electric scooter. They, I'm proud to say, have done another incredible job, and they are exactly as advertised. So the Verve Pro is advertised at like 18.6 miles per hour. We got it to 20, but it was consistent at 18 miles per hour. Now the Verve Compact right behind me, that's advertised at 15.5 miles per hour, but we got it up to 16. So we think that they did an awesome job by giving us the honest miles per hour, and honestly, that's fast enough for these scooters. Check out our next video where we're gonna be giving you our first impressions and why we love these scooters. Remember, if you want one of these scooters, type in inGear 250 and you'll get $250 off of these scooters and a free accessory kit while supplies last from Gen 3. So see you in the next video. Oh wait, false alarm, it's on walk mode. Come on, rookie mistake. That's the test that we're doing right now. I hope it recorded because I sang a song while I was going. Should be funny. You could be my best, be my best. It's an actual song, bro.